Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove your tag from a photo by date on Facebook using your PC. This process is straightforward and helps you manage your digital presence more effectively. First, open facebook.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings and features. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Activity Log. This section allows you to view and manage all your activities on Facebook, including posts, comments, and tags. Under your Facebook activity, click on Activity You're Tagged In. This will display all the posts, photos, and videos where you've been tagged. To focus specifically on photos and videos, click on Photos and Videos You're Tagged In. Now to filter these by date, click on Date at the top of the page. You'll be able to choose a specific period from the available options. Once you've selected your desired date range, click Save Changes. This will narrow down the list to only include photos and videos from that time frame. Find the specific photo you want to remove your tag from, and click on the three dots next to it. A menu will appear with options related to the photo. Select Remove Tag from this menu. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, so click OK to proceed. By following these steps, you can easily remove your tag from any photo on Facebook by date. This feature is especially useful if you want to manage old posts or photos that you no longer wish to be associated with. Remember, removing a tag doesn't delete the photo itself. It simply removes your name from it so it won't appear on your profile anymore. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your Facebook tags more efficiently. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below.